Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of 3D printing, but not sure where to start? With so many options on the market, finding the right 3D printer for beginners can be overwhelming. In this video, we will break down the best 3D printers for beginners in 2024, focusing on ease of use, affordability, and reliability. Let's find out which one is perfect for you. Number 1. Comgrow Ender 3 3D Printer. The Comgrow Ender 3 is a fantastic entry-level 3D printer that offers excellent performance and ease of use, making it ideal for beginners. One of its standout features is the resume printing function, which ensures your prints can continue even after a power outage. With a safety-protected power supply and strict testing protocols, the Ender 3 is a solid choice for anyone new to 3D printing. Key features: resume printing function to continue printing after a power outage or lapse. Easy and quick assembly, taking only about 2 hours with 20 nuts. Advanced extruder technology reduces plugging risk and ensures smooth extrusion. Safety-protected power supply with a hot bed that reaches 100 degrees in just 5 minutes. Strict testing of key components and lifetime technical support available. Number 2. Anker M5 3D Printer. This is another powerful and precise machine, perfect for beginners who want speed and quality. With its upgraded 500 mm per second speed and Power Boost 2.0 technology, it ensures smooth and fast printing without compromising on quality. The integrated error detection system, combined with an ultra-direct extruder, guarantees precise 0.1 mm detail and minimizes the risk of print failures. Its sturdy die-cast aluminum alloy structure provides stability, and the remote control feature allows you to manage your prints from anywhere. Key features: upgraded 500 mm per second speed with Power Boost 2.0 for faster printing. Precise 0.1 mm detail with an ultra-direct extruder and integrated die-cast aluminum alloy structure. Error detection system with real-time notifications and auto-pause for issues like bed adhesion failures or extruder jams. Integrated die-cast aluminum alloy structure for increased stability. Remote control capability via AnkerMake app, AnkerMake Studio, and Alexa. 7:7 auto-leveling with advanced algorithms for accurate prints. Number 3. ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo 3D Printer. The ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo is an impressive 3D printer designed for those who want both speed and precision. Its high-speed capabilities, with a maximum print speed of 250 mm per second, allow you to complete projects in significantly less time. The newly integrated extruder system ensures quick filament melting and rapid cooling, resulting in high-quality prints. The Kobra 2 Neo also comes with exceptional customer service and support, making it a reliable choice for new 3D printing enthusiasts. Key features: 5x high-speed printing with a maximum speed of 250 mm per second. New integrated extruder system with a 60-watt hot end and 7,000 revolutions per minute cooling fan. Linear propulsion and input shaping functions to reduce spillage and improve print quality. Levy 2.0 automatic leveling with intelligent Z-axis offset compensation. 1 year after service warranty with print head warranted for 3 months, plus lifetime technical support. Number 4. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M 3D Printer. The FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M 3D printer is designed to simplify the 3D printing process with its one-click automatic printing feature. This ensures impeccable bed leveling and consistent adhesion, saving time and eliminating frustration. The printer also allows for remote real-time monitoring and adjustments via the FlashMaker mobile app. Its smart design includes rapid nozzle changes, a high-flow nozzle, and a dual-sided PEI platform, making it an efficient choice for various creative projects. Key features: one-click automatic printing for impeccable bed leveling and consistent adhesion. Core XEY structure enables travel speeds up to 600 millimeters per second. Supports remote real-time monitoring via FlashMaker mobile app. Rapid nozzle changes in 3 seconds, high-flow 32 cubic millimeters per second nozzle, and dual-sided PEI. Dual-fan nozzles, vibration compensation, multiple nozzle sizes, and 280 degrees Celsius direct extruder. Number 5. ELEGOO Neptune 3 Max 3D Printer. This is an impressive 3D printer that combines a direct drive extruder, massive print volume, and advanced leveling features, making it an excellent choice for beginners and experienced users. Its dual-gear direct drive extruder ensures smoother filament feeding and stable printing, reducing nozzle clogging and gear jumping problems. The PEI magnetic platform and removable touchscreen add to its ease of use and efficiency. Key features: direct drive extruder with adjustable extrusion force and a 3:1 reduction ratio. Massive print volume of 420 x 420 x 500 millimeters for larger models or batch printing. Auto and auxiliary leveling with a precision sensor that scans 63 points of the hotbed. Dual lid screws and dual motor drive on the Z-axis for stable and precise movement. PEI magnetic platform with a special coating and spring steel sheet for strong adhesion and easy model removal. Choosing the right 3D printer for beginners can be a game changer, opening up a world of creativity and innovation. Each of the printers we have reviewed offers unique features tailored to different needs and preferences. Take into consideration your specific needs and preferences, and you will find a printer that helps bring your creative ideas to life with ease and precision. Thanks for watching.